Hey, and welcome back to Fatty to Fitty. Today we are going to be talking about protein shakes on keto. Yay! So let's get into it. I have no appetite whatsoever. I'm really struggling to eat since I've started keto. 5 days in and I'm really struggling, can't eat, just full straight away. Cannot do it. But I don't want to be unhealthy, so calories are needed, and I'm a lover of a shake. I love a protein shake in the morning, like a meal replacement shake for breakfast. I thought that would be an idea. So it took me ages. I scoured the internet, went to Holland and Barrett, and did all the things, and I found one that I think is gonna work, and it is the Vega clean protein shake in chocolate flavour. Now, it's not a meal replacement shake, it is just a protein shake, but I'm going to be starting to add exercise into my routine really soon, so I need something to give me some sustenance. Like today I was really struggling because I've barely eaten anything, and when I do eat I'm having to force myself to eat, and I'm filling up so quickly that I'm feeling sick, so I'm like, I don't want to eat anymore. So I thought I'd give this a go and see if it's any easier. Theoretically, can't see my face. Theoretically, this is going to give me 138 calories per 37 gram serving, and only 2 grams of carbs and 0.4 grams of sugar. So it's pretty good. So I'm hoping that this is just going to I'm just doing it for the calories and the protein, and there is 25 grams of protein in this, so hopefully it's going to sustain me a little bit, so that what I'm not getting in food because I'm just struggling to eat is going to be made up for in this. So we're going to try it. I mean, it could be rank. There were a couple of other options, but I liked the look of this one the best because the ingredients didn't look too dodgy. You know, when you're like reading the ingredients and you're like, oh, I don't know about it. So let's take the lid off. So I've got my NutriBullet set up here, and let's see. Why are these so difficult to get into? So when I say I love a protein shake, I really mean I love a Slim Fast. Please tell me there's a scoop. Is there a scoop? There's one scoop, but I see no scoop. That's I don't see a scoop. Well, this is good. 137 gram scoop that I do not see. I don't particularly just I don't want to stick my hand in. Ow! Wait there. Let's see if I can find my scoop. Oh! I think I found it. Winner, chicken dinner. It was right at the bottom. Got it. Protein shake scoop now. Wow. That is a big scoop. It's a big scoop. So I've got my cup of water. It said I don't know. The instructions were vague. It said Google it, so I Googled it. So I've got about 2 cups of water in here. I don't know. Let's see, I hope this is nice, because if this is rank, we're going to be screwed. I'm just going to starve. Let's give it a go. So yeah, I've NutriBulleted it. Let's see what it tastes like. Smells pretty good. Okay, it looks kind of runny. I lie, it doesn't smell good. It smells a bit like coffee. Ugh. Ugh. Jeez, bloody Nora, what the... Oh. That does not taste good, guys. That does not taste good. Wow. Vega, what have I done wrong? It tastes really salty and planty and not chocolatey. And you can really taste the stevia in it. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is a no. Yeah, no, I think this is a no. I think this is going down the drain. Oh. So the verdict, price was on point. It was £20, £20.99 I think for this. So it was not the cheapest, but not the most expensive. The carbs are on point. I wonder. Let's see if I can rescue this because I'm loath to throw away something. And I've got a couple of raspberry kind of smoothie ice cubes that I made the other day to stick in water. So let me see if I can rescue it. So, right, let's see if a little fruitiness fixes it. I mean, I'm not convinced. See if that's improved it or not. It still smells rancid. That's actually marginally more drinkable. So I think don't just mix it with water like it says on here. This is on here. Shake it with water or blend. I think you need to blend it into your favourite smoothie or juice recipe. So I think you need to blend it in. That's marginally improved it. It's still pretty rancid, I'm not going to lie. So well, there we go. That's the verdict on that. Blend it into something, I think, is going to be the answer. Yeah. Not a win. That's all I've got to say for that one. Not a win. But that's the whole point of this channel, is that we try these things and we learn. And yeah, that's all I have for today. I'll catch you all next time. Bye.